Hey you guys, so we are coming from my bathroom right now. I had to do a review on this. I was sent this product to give you guys my honest feedback, and I must say that I never had that good of a shower in a long time. I just finished showering. You can still see it's like a little wet still dripping, but I had to get right on here and tell you guys my experience. So what this is it's a rainfall shower head, okay? And then it comes with a manual hand sprayer. So the cool thing about this that I love, never seen it before, is it actually magnetizes right in there. So it comes with a magnet and it just whoop, clicks right in there. Super easy to use. This you can even just use as by itself, just the rain shower setting, or you can just use the handheld sprayer, or you can even use both at the same time. So that's really neat. This has 8 different shower settings, so 8 different spray settings. And then it also has, I don't know if you could see those little holes there? That is where a jet sprayer can come out, and it has 2 different jet spray settings. So I'm definitely gonna be using that. I already know, just clean my shower, spray it down really good. And it was super, super simple to install. I actually did it all by myself. It came with all the things that you need to install it. The manual tells you step by step how to put it together, comes with a wrench, comes with the tape, comes with all the bits and bobs. So if you are in the market for a new shower head for your bathroom, if you want to upgrade, if you want to try something different, highly, highly recommend this one. It has been a game changer already, and I'm so excited to take my next shower because it was nice, you guys. It was nice, and it's so pretty as well. I feel very like upscale with the shower head. So I hope that this helped you guys. I hope you guys have a good day, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon.